Hi, my name is Jordan Lachler. I work here at the University of Alberta. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Linguistics, and I'm also the director of CILDI, the Canadian Indigenous Languages and Literacy Development Institute. I'm originally from the US, but I've been here in Canada for the past 15 years. For the last 35 years or so, I've had the privilege to work with a wide range of Indigenous communities around the world, here in Canada, in the US, in Ecuador, the Solomon Islands, and other places around the world. My main work has been around language documentation, so working with speakers to create a record of the language, making dictionaries and grammars and teaching materials to support the language in the community, in the schools. And then over the last 15 to 20 years, working here at CILDI, we've really been focusing on training and helping community members to develop those skills that they need to do a lot of that work themselves, to do the documentation of their own language, to create their own dictionaries, create their own teaching materials.
Hi, I'm Darren Flavelle. I'm a Métis person, born here on Treaty 6 territory, the homeland of the Métis, and the great gathering place of the Cree, the Nakota Sioux, the Anishinaabe, the Blackfoot. There's many more. There's a very diverse and incredible place where I have the great privilege of being from and living on, and working with the communities here and abroad. I am the Community Projects Coordinator for CILDI, which is the Canadian Indigenous Languages and Literacy Development Institute. And doing that work, being able to help coordinate different projects and help facilitate people doing this language revitalization work is hugely rewarding. Been fortunate enough to work with folks in Kenya in Africa and in Malaita in the Solomon Islands and in the South Pacific, and people here at home, people on the west coast of Canada. And it's been a great journey, and I cannot wait for the next journey to begin. Maybe I'll come to Nepal.
Over the past several decades, we've had the opportunity to work with a wide range of different Indigenous communities here in Canada and elsewhere around the world. Our main focus at CILDI is in training community members to do the work of language revitalization themselves. So we offer courses and workshops and other types of support that help community members to learn the skills that they need to document their languages, write them down, analyze them, create materials, teach the languages in the schools, use the language in the home, and just promote the language throughout the community.
Yeah, so with that effort and focus on training Indigenous peoples to do this themselves, we really hope that people around the world can stop relying on outsiders and be more self-sustaining. As much as we're happy to come and help us in any ways that we can, with people regaining their language, they're revitalizing it, maintaining it, or reviving it in some cases. We really do hope for the future communities can do this work and have the ability, capacity, and skills to do this work themselves without having to rely on other people coming in to help them. Of course, we're always happy to help them. And this work that we're all doing is so vital because a language encodes a lot of culture, it encodes history, and it gives people a sense of identity. And when that is lost, a people become lost, and that is a horrible thing to have happen. So we really strive to find better ways, more efficient ways to help people gain these skills in order to revitalize their own languages and keep their cultures, their communities alive and thriving. When you lose a language, you lose your identity, and you're more susceptible to drugs and abuse and other things. It's a really vicious cycle. And so when you regain that language and you regain your identity, studies have shown across the world that the community thrives. It becomes healthier mentally, physically, and spiritually.
Our message to the community is keep going. Now is the time to do this work. In too many communities, things have progressed much further in terms of language shift and language loss. And the longer you wait, the harder it is to do that work, and the longer the road is to bring your language back. But the more work you can do now, while there are still speakers, while the language is still being passed on in many villages, while there's still the support from the people in the community to do this, the easier it will be. So my message is now is the time. Keep going. You've got a great start. Good things are happening, and try to keep that momentum going. It's still going to be a lot of work. It's still going to be a long process, and there's many things that will get in the way over the years. But if you keep pushing forward, you can be successful.
And it's just been exciting to see the incredible work, the devotion and the hard work and passion that the community's been pouring into this kind of work. And it's so heartening to see. It's very inspiring, and I keep going. It's great.
Golden sunlight, if I'm going with you.